Several years ago, development was started on a new hose pack. Two size packs were developed, a single pack holding one bundle of hose weighing 25 pounds and a double pack holding two bundles of hose and weighing 50 pounds. These packs used the lightweight hose developed for forestry service. We also developed a light, small, compact hose roller which would remove all the air and provide storage rolls. This is called the bar hose roller. After years of working with gated Ys and inline Ts, it was determined we wanted to develop a valve that would have no restrictions, little friction loss, and be easy to use. Project development started working on an actuator that could be turned by hand without any large protruding levers. We developed a valve that was as compact as possible, light as possible, and as inexpensive as possible with the components we were using. It was determined we wanted something that could be used as a gated Y, but in fact was shaped like a T, and something the size of the palm of our hand that would fit into a backpack. The yellow actuator handle can be turned by hand under pressure. The gate can shut off the main trunk line, or the lateral. The lateral is a full 1-inch opening port on the side of the diverter T. The yellow actuator handle on top has a notched area that indicates where the gate is. All other ports are open. As you can see, as it rotates from one port to another, it would be showing you that that port is blocked from pressure from within the valve. Testing was done to determine the sturdiness of the valve. Putting some practical tests into operations, we ran over it. Additionally, as part of the development of the valve, linear pull tests were done, and in all cases the fire hose actually failed. The valve could be operated with just your hands. Under pressure, you're able to turn the yellow actuator valve and relocate the gate inside the valve. Once we had the new valve done, the packs were made. We found a way to load them using this wheel table. This method of taking rolled hose and placing it in a hose tray proved very effective. Using two different size hose trays to correspond to the two different size packs, we developed a method which created extremely uniform and compact packs that make for very efficient deployment. The bundled hose is secured in its pack with just strips of flagging tape. Taking the packs and putting them on a loading board, you're able to slide the hose trays down in the pack, remove the hose trays, and strap the pack together. The pack works by pulling out the female, and the bundle is then deployed by the simple walkout method. The hose lays exactly where you walk. To start the pack off, you simply take the first pack and connect it to the engine, and the first 100 foot would be fought by any appropriate pre-connected line. As you can see, the firefighters are moving out and the first 100-foot bundle is being deployed. When it reaches the end, it's laying on the ground and the engineer charges the bundle. The trunk line's filled, the attack line is filled, and firefighter would then reach down, pick up the next 100-foot section of attack line, and advance it forward. As he's advancing the attack line forward and moving on suppressing the fire, a new bundle would then be pulled and attached to the diverter T and connected. That firefighter would then follow the attack line along the perimeter of the fire and advance forward, laying the hose out of his pack as he moves along the edge of the controlled fire line. Back at the diverter T, a firefighter would hear the signal to call for water and charge the second bundle. This process is going to be repeated over and over again. As the bundle fills up, the next firefighter could come in line, get the attack line, and advance it again. And this is what's known as a progressive hose lay. There's several formulas for making this type of hose lay work. And as the firefighter advances up, a second firefighter could be right alongside, paralleling, or it could be the firefighter with the nozzle actually deploying the next bundle that would feed out. Firefighters check, call for water, signal is understood, and once again the bundle is charged. So as you can see, the process is repeated over and over again, charging bundles, advancing attack lines, connecting bundles, and walking out again. The most complicated step in the hose lay is just making the connection. Other than that, you turn the diverter T and the rest is walking. So what does Whaling Fireline Equipment sell? Well, of course, there's two packs that are being made and sold, and they are the smaller pack, which holds a single bundle, and then of course there's the larger pack, which holds two bundles. Larger pack can also be used as a 400-foot single line supply pack. And both of these packs work because of the development of the Diverter T, National Standard 1.5" iron pipe 1-inch side port. Preparation of the hose, preparing it for packing, is done best with a hose roller. This one makes hose very compact. A loading board is used to slide the hose trays into the packs. Of course, the two hose trays for each size of pack, and the wheel table, which makes loading done in a very compact place.